Ever stumbled upon the term Nutmeg and wondered if it was a secret code for a bank? Or maybe you've heard whispers about it being a financial powerhouse, but you're not entirely sure. Well, let's crack this nut open together. In today's digital age, financial services are evolving at lightning speed. Traditional banks are facing stiff competition from fintech startups that promise convenience, efficiency, and often higher returns. Amidst this financial revolution, a name has been making waves: Nutmeg. So, what exactly is Nutmeg? Is it a full-fledged bank offering the usual checking, savings, and loan services? Or is it something entirely different? Let's dive in and uncover the truth. Unveiling Nutmeg. Nutmeg, in essence, is a digital wealth manager. Now, before you tune out, let's break that down. A wealth manager is essentially a financial advisor who helps people grow and protect their money. But here's the twist: Nutmeg does this digitally, making it accessible to a broader audience. Unlike traditional banks, Nutmeg doesn't deal with physical branches or tellers. It's all online. This means you can manage your investments, set financial goals, and track your portfolio from the comfort of your couch. Nutmeg and J.P. Morgan Chase. Now, here's where things get interesting. In 2021, Nutmeg was acquired by the financial giant, J.P. Morgan Chase. This acquisition marked a significant step for J.P. Morgan as they expanded their digital banking services in the UK. So, while Nutmeg isn't a bank in the traditional sense, it's now part of a massive banking institution. This partnership brings together the tech-savvy approach of Nutmeg with the financial stability and resources of J.P. Morgan. What does this mean for you? The Nutmeg J.P. Morgan alliance means a few things for you as a potential customer. Trustworthiness. Backing by a major financial player like J.P. Morgan adds a layer of trust and security to your investments. Expanded services. While Nutmeg primarily focuses on investments, being part of J.P. Morgan could potentially open doors to other financial services in the future. Technology. Expect a seamless digital experience, thanks to Nutmeg's tech-driven approach. Nutmeg services. So, what exactly can you do with Nutmeg? Investment management. Nutmeg offers a range of investment portfolios tailored to different risk appetites and financial goals. Their algorithm analyzes your financial situation and suggests suitable investment options. ISAs. They offer individual savings accounts, ISAs, which are popular tax-efficient savings vehicles in the UK. Pensions. Nutmeg also provides pension plans to help you save for retirement. Is Nutmeg right for you? Nutmeg is ideal for people who want to invest their money but don't have the time or expertise to manage it themselves, prefer a hands-off approach to investing, are comfortable with technology and online platforms, are looking for a long-term investment strategy. While Nutmeg isn't a traditional bank, it's a robust digital wealth management platform backed by a financial giant. If you're looking for a convenient and potentially profitable way to invest your money, Nutmeg is worth considering. However, as with any financial decision, it's crucial to do your own research and consider your specific financial goals before making a commitment. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.